Launched in August 2025, Ryan Phillips's Affiliate Automation Academy introduces a modern approach to affiliate marketing by blending high-ticket coaching with powerful AI automation. The program is designed for beginners, requiring just 20 minutes a day, and automates key tasks like lead nurturing and sales follow-ups. For a one-time payment of $27, members gain access to done-for-you Instagram content and a supportive community. Testimonials reveal impressive results, with some earning commissions within days of joining the academy. This one strategy on Instagram unlocked a whole new future. Just a few weeks back, I didn't even realize how powerful Instagram could be for affiliate marketing. But the moment I applied what I learned from Ryan Phillips's Affiliate Automation Academy, my entire perspective shifted. I went from feeling stuck to finally seeing traction, real engagement, real growth, and real possibility. Stay with me, because I'm about to show you how one Instagram shift can open doors you never imagined. If we haven't met yet, I'm Kirsten. For years, I struggled with affiliate marketing, jumping from strategy to strategy, trying ads I couldn't afford, and watching others succeed while I felt invisible. Then I came across Ryan Phillips and his Affiliate Automation Academy. What stood out wasn't hype, it was clarity. Instead of chasing every platform, Ryan taught me to focus on Instagram. I'll be honest, I thought Instagram was just for influencers and lifestyle brands. But once I saw the step-by-step process inside the academy, it clicked. Instagram could be the platform that actually made affiliate marketing feel simple. And while I was scared of showing up and being judged, Ryan's words hit me. You don't need everyone, you just need the right few. That gave me the courage to start. The first breakthrough I had was realizing Instagram isn't just a social platform, it's a visibility engine. Before Affiliate Automation Academy, my affiliate marketing efforts felt random. I'd share links on Facebook, maybe post a blog, but nothing stuck. Instagram changed that. Every reel, carousel, or story I posted became a seed that kept growing. Ryan's system showed me how reels attract new people, carousels keep them engaged, and stories build trust. When I put this into practice, I saw results almost instantly. My very first reel using his framework reached more people in 24 hours than anything I had posted in months. That one post brought me dozens of new followers and even affiliate sales. Here's the difference. Unlike ads that vanish when the budget runs out, Instagram content keeps working. A post today can still bring in views weeks later. That's what Ryan means by visibility that compounds. So if you've ever felt invisible, Instagram can change that. It puts you in front of the right people daily without paying for reach. And those people can become the start of your affiliate journey. The second big lesson from Ryan Phillips is that community beats numbers. At first, I obsessed over how many followers I had, but Ryan made it clear. 100 engaged people are more valuable than 10,000 passive ones. That shifted everything for me. I stopped posting just to get likes. Instead, I used polls and stories, shared my small wins, and opened up about the challenges of affiliate marketing. At first, it felt uncomfortable. But the more real I was, the more people connected with me. One story I shared about failing my first affiliate campaign sparked dozens of DMs. People related. They trusted me more because I was honest. And later, many of those same people used my affiliate links. Not because I begged them, but because they felt part of my journey. That's the power of community. Instagram is interactive. It lets you reply, connect, and build trust faster than almost anywhere else. And Ryan's system gave me the roadmap to do it consistently. His third breakthrough was learning that automation doesn't have to feel robotic. I always thought automation meant losing authenticity. But inside Affiliate Automation Academy, Ryan showed me it's the opposite. It's about setting up systems that serve people even when you're offline. On Instagram, that starts with your bio. Mine used to be cluttered. Now, thanks to Ryan's framework, I have one clear link offering a free resource. That guide gives value first, then naturally leads to affiliate offers. The best part? It works while I sleep. One of my first guides brought in multiple affiliate sales within a week. Not because I spammed anyone, but because I gave people something helpful. That's automation with heart. And here's the beauty of Instagram. Your content keeps working. A reel you post today can bring in followers months from now. That's freedom. That's momentum. And that's why Ryan says, automation is freedom. Now you've seen how Instagram completely reshaped my affiliate journey. Thanks to Ryan Phillips and the Affiliate Automation Academy, I want you to imagine your own future. Picture 6 months from now. Instead of chasing platforms, you've built consistency on Instagram. Your posts are still bringing in followers. Your stories are creating conversations. Your bio link is generating sales, all while you focus on living your life. That's possible for you, just like it was for me. So here's what to do next. Subscribe to my channel. Each week, I'll share what's working with Instagram and affiliate marketing, so you can take the same steps. Subscribe now, because this journey is just beginning, and I'd love for you to be part of it.